Chapter 15. Natural calamities. Disasters or calamities are events that cause great damage or loss of life and property. These calamities can be natural or man-made. The distress caused by these events is terrible. Natural disasters or calamities are those which are caused due to forces of nature like movements inside the earth, lightning, changes in temperature, that is, tsunamis, cyclones, earthquakes, droughts, floods, landslides, volcanic eruptions, etc. Man-made disasters are the disasters that result due to human activities, that is, nuclear explosions, wars, oil spills, industrial accidents, airplane crashes, etc. Natural disasters are of the following types. Earthquakes. An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the Earth's surface. It is caused due to the collision of the tectonic plates under the Earth's surface. The exact point under the ground where this collision takes place is called the focus. The point on the Earth's surface which lies directly above the focus is called the epicenter. The effect and damage caused by an earthquake is maximum near its epicenter. Gujarat earthquake. The intensity of an earthquake is recorded by an instrument called seismograph. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured by a Richter scale. The number range for this scale is from 1 to 10. The earthquakes below 6 on Richter scale are moderate and cause little damage, whereas earthquakes above 6 on Richter scale are considered to be disastrous and cause great damage to life and property. On 26 January 2001, a massive earthquake shook the Kutch region in Gujarat, causing great destruction. One more such high-intensity earthquake shook Jammu and Kashmir and Pakistan in October 2005. This, too, caused a great destruction to life and property. Precautions. In case of an earthquake, the following precautions should be taken. Rush out of your house or school to an open ground or area. If you cannot move out, take shelter under a table, keeping hands on the head. Do not stand near windows, bookcases, mirrors, hanging pots, fans, etc. during or immediately after an earthquake. If you are outdoors, keep away from trees, signboards, electric poles and buildings. Drop. Cover. Hold on. Tsunamis. Tsunami is a Japanese word which means harbor waves. They are caused due to an underwater earthquake or a volcanic eruption. A series of huge waves come from the sea rolling towards the shore. At times, these waves can be up to 25 meters high and can travel at a speed up to 800 kilometers per hour. At very high speed, waves crush and damage everything they come across. About 90% of all the tsunamis occur in the Pacific Ocean. One such tsunami occurred in the Indian Ocean in December 2004. In which lakhs of people lost their lives in around 12 countries. Nowadays, tsunamis can be predicted with the use of advanced technology. Tsunami. Precautions. The following precautions should be taken at the time of a tsunami. Just before a tsunami strikes, the sea often recedes from the coast. If you see that happening, run away from the coast to a safe place. If you live in a coastal area and feel a strong earthquake, move quickly to a higher place. Cyclones. A cyclone is a very strong whirlwind which travels at a great speed. It is caused due to variation in the atmospheric pressure between land and sea. Cyclones are accompanied by heavy rains. They are very common in the coastal regions and frequently occur in Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. Cyclones are known by different names, such as sea storms, typhoons, hurricanes and willies in different regions. Cyclone. Precautions. The following precautions should be taken at the time of a cyclone. Listen regularly the weather bulletins on radio or television. Always keep a first aid kit ready. Head towards the nearest cyclone relief shelter. Floods. Floods generally occur due to heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. When there is a heavy rain, the rivers rise above their banks and the overflowing water enters houses, fields and other areas. Floods damage crops, roads and houses. They affect transport, communication, water supply and electricity systems.